Hello, friends. Welcome back to Graceful Health After 60, the place where we focus on feeling strong, staying mobile, and living fully, no matter your age. Let me ask you something personal. Have you ever felt like your muscles are shrinking, your body is slowing down, and even simple tasks like climbing stairs or carrying groceries are becoming more difficult? You're not alone. This condition is real, and it has a name: sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. By the time we hit our 60s, our bodies naturally start losing muscle mass, and it can happen faster than we realize. Some studies suggest we can lose up to 3 to 8% of our muscle mass every decade after 30, and that loss only speeds up after 60. But here's the good news: you can fight back. And you don't need fancy supplements, expensive gyms, or extreme diets to do it. In today's video, we'll explore what's really causing muscle loss after 60, 3 simple but powerful ways to fix it, and which common foods could be silently hurting your muscles, plus what to eat instead. So, what's really going on inside our bodies? As we age, several important changes happen. Our hormone levels drop, especially hormones like testosterone and growth hormone that help build and maintain muscle. Our bodies also don't absorb protein as efficiently, and many people naturally become less active. On top of that, chronic inflammation from stress or diet can slowly break down muscle tissue over time. It's not your fault. These changes are normal, but when ignored, they lead to weaker muscles, slower metabolism, poor balance, and a higher risk of falls or injuries. So let's fix it, starting with the first simple solution: eating more protein the right way. Most older adults simply aren't getting enough high-quality protein. And when they do eat protein, it's often stacked into one big meal at dinner. But research in the Journal of Nutrition shows that spreading protein evenly throughout the day, especially adding it to breakfast, helps maintain muscle more effectively in older adults. So aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. Great sources include eggs, Greek yogurt, chicken, fish, lentils, tofu, and even a protein smoothie if you're not hungry in the morning. Think of protein as muscle insurance. If you're not feeding your muscles, your body starts breaking them down for fuel. Fix number 2 is all about gentle resistance, a key to lasting strength. You don't need to join a gym or lift heavy weights. In fact, studies show that just 15 to 20 minutes a day of light resistance movements can dramatically slow or even reverse muscle loss after 60. A study in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine found that adults over 65 who did resistance training twice a week had significantly more muscle and fewer falls. Try simple exercises like chair squats, wall push-ups, calf raises, or leg lifts, many of which can be done from a chair. Even a resistance band can work wonders. Start slow, listen to your body, and aim for consistency, not pain. Your muscles are just waiting to be reactivated. Now, for fix number 3. And this one surprises many people. Certain everyday foods may be silently draining your muscles. Foods like refined carbs, white bread, sugary cereals, and processed meats all contribute to inflammation and muscle breakdown over time. These foods spike your blood sugar, stress your body, and don't provide the nutrients your muscles crave. Instead, switch to whole grains like oats and quinoa, fresh vegetables, healthy fats like olive oil and nuts, and anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric and ginger. A well-balanced plate of grilled salmon, sautéed spinach, and sweet potato can do wonders for your body. Let's quickly recap. First, eat protein consistently throughout the day. Second, do simple resistance exercises 3 to 4 times a week. Third, avoid hidden muscle drainers and nourish your body with clean, anti-inflammatory foods. Aging is natural, but weakness doesn't have to be. You can feel strong, energized, and capable again, one smart choice at a time. And if no one's told you today, I believe in you. Your body still has so much life left to live. If this video helped you, Don't forget to like, subscribe to Graceful Health After 60, and leave a comment below saying, "I'm taking my muscles seriously." See you in the next one. Until then, stay strong, stay kind, and stay graceful.